are you doing today, Matt?
I'm gonna make a Ducati sound like a Ducati, I think. I'm gonna put some Two Brothers exhaust on this thing, K&N filter, and I think, what else did he bring? Mirrors and power commander. So, gotta love it when the customer just wants it to sound awesome before they get it. So, we're gonna do a little startup, hear what it sounds like stock, and then we're gonna see what these Two Brothers do to the sound level. I don't know if they'll do much for the seat of the pants dyno, but they'll definitely sound better.
Sounds good. Sounds like a quiet Ducati. That's about it.
Yeah. Well, you got these big bazookas on here, so.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna come back on the other side of this, see what you got going on progress-wise, and hopefully get to the end of it and hear a rebirth Ducati. Ah.
The precision that goes into this, Josh, bar none. Working on getting these pipes to fit up right, and I like these. These are the black series, so these are that nice dark carbon fiber. Typically they put like gold trim around here, but these are all black. And
Yeah, I like it.
Black series pipes on these.
These are gonna sound friggin' awesome on this thing, I can tell.
Just gotta work on the angle here.
Yep.
Getting everything set up just so. I already put the sweet bar end mirrors on there. I think I should go above or below? Like them above? How do you like this?
Probably looks good the way they are right there.
Because I can rotate that 180.
Right.
You know what I mean? I guess it'll all depend on clearance with the tank.
That's true.
So I'm gonna have to do that. I mean, they're loose. They're relatively loose right now, so I can adjust it. But I think that cleans the front of the bike up a lot more than those big bulky mirrors on there.
Did you ask Joel what he has to think about it yet?
Go out and see.
We have to
He
find
might
out.
have an opinion on the situation.
He might.
But there's that so far. Looks like they come out at just a little bit of a flash point angle there. I'm gonna see if I can straighten that out, but so far they're looking like they're gonna be.
I think it's always gonna be that way because of the bracket.
It's just the way that bracket sits there.
Joel, what do you have to think about that? What do you have to say? It's the Cycle Hunters garage. We only do things one way in this garage. The right way. That was running. That works.
Perfect. Now I have everything.
Now I have.
You have everything.
Constantly pressing me, Matt. Constantly pressing me. Now I have everything. It's not enough to be good. You got to be good every day.
This thing's no longer going to sound like a Singer sewing machine.
No. All right. Well, keep making the progress. Yeah.
Live up to its name.
Gonna bring out the monster.
That's what we're hoping.
Dig it.
Jason and Mike are riding their bikes out on Saturday for the show.
Having some fitment issues. Not quite sure what's going on here, but having a tough time getting these exhaust pipes to fit just right. They don't bolt up just like the instructions say. So, gotta see what's going on.
Two brothers.
Usually they fit pretty good. I've never had
They look awesome. I'll definitely say that.
never had any issues with Two Brothers not fitting right,
They look a little obtuse.
but you know,
Wait a minute.
you know.
They what?
Obtuse. Don't be so obtuse. Give you some extra time in the hole, Andy Dufresne. How am I obtuse now? How do you like obtuse? Put that in your video.
Are you flipping the camera off again, Joey?
Part of the solution, you're part of the problem.
Not too shabby. We're getting there.
Alright, let's see what we got. Wonder if this looks better. That looks like that will fit better, but
That's really silly how that you'd have to do that.
I shouldn't have to do that. I should. Does that mean? Does that mean these brackets are on backwards?
Listen to music, personalized to you.
Matt is hit with a conundrum.
Hit with a faulty stool that wants to.
Have a nice trip there.
I can go on the gag reel there, Josh.
Might have to. We'll have to ask Joel what he thinks about that one then. Yep, we'll see then.
Alrighty. I got a riddle for you. What does a wet fart and these stickers have in common? You can't trust either of them.
Oh boy.
So apparently they put the decals on the mufflers incorrectly, or maybe that's the allure of the Black Series. They just want you to. I don't think that's the case.
I mean,
but
it's really weird.
they put the stickers on the inside of the pipe, and as soon as I swap the pipes from left to right, now it fits just like the picture shows. So I think maybe we could probably just get some new decals for it, and then they'll just have decals on both sides. But sometimes you run into this weird stuff on aftermarket equipment. This is a first, honestly, that I've actually run into, especially with two brothers. They're usually pretty on it. So
I'm a little
we'll have to
confused.
give them a call and see if maybe that's something they're encountering. But I mean, it's not riveted on like a standard slip-on. It is literally just a decal. So somebody could have had to install them
A bad day,
incorrectly.
it worked.
Bad day. Maybe these were Friday stickers.
I was going to say
or
they're
Monday
Friday
mornings.
stickers, right?
Who knows? But
Well,
now that I've swapped them, they fit like they should. But I gotta wipe them down real quick, and you know what? I'm gonna make you guys wait. I'm gonna put the power commander in, and then we're gonna start it after everything. So, got the pipes on. And they look good. It's just we'll have to get either another set of decals, or I don't even know what we'll do there. But that is definitely strange. I wonder if he got a good deal on these pipes.
he might have.
During the discount bit, maybe. Who knows?
I don't know.
But
All right, well,
it's straight now. I'm going to keep plugging away, and I'll pull the gas tank off. Put the he's got a K&N filter, and he also has a power commander, so I'll do those two things at the same time. But hopefully no more snags. I don't think there could be a wrong K&N filter. I shouldn't even say that. I'm just going to put it in.
well, we'll just wait and see.
We'll just wait and see. I'm going to clean up a little bit of my mess here. I kind of exploded. And I'm going to put that in now.
Catch on the flip.
I'm going to secure this too. Yeah, now.
Oh boy. It's a little windy out here. See what you got. I'd say that's job well done.
From Singer sewing machine to motorcycle, well, to performance Ducati. It's just that easy.
There you have it, folks. Another satisfied Ducati. Sounding as it should. Bella, bella. Awesome.
Yep, and then once we did actually, Josh called, Two Brothers was really cool. They're going to send us some new decals for the mufflers, so
Yep.
slide them on there, and then it'll be like it never happened.
Good deal. Beautiful. Well, remember to hit like and subscribe. Keep watching. Have a great day. And we're going to leave you one for the road. Beautiful.